Now we are going to complete exercises of chapter number 14th, Mission to Saturn, a spacecraft's incredible journey to the ring planet. Comprehension A. Fill in the blanks with the words from the text. First, when Cassini's spacecraft took a long distance photo of the Earth for the first time, it was called the day the Earth smiled. Second, the first space probe to visit Saturn was called Pioneer 11. Third, Cassini spent 13 years orbiting Saturn. Fourth, on its journey, Cassini flew past two planets, Venus and Jupiter. Fifth, on Enceladus, one of the Saturn's moon, alien microbial life may be found. 6. Cassini's data on Saturn's largest moon, the orange colored Titan, has given scientists a sense of what the Earth might have been like before life evolved. Seventh, one of the Cassini mission's objectives was studying the rings of Saturn. 6. Cassini also took many stunning pictures of the Earth, the Moon, Jupiter, and Saturn and its moons. B. Answer the questions briefly. First question. What did Srikala discover about Saturn? Answer. Srikala discovered that Saturn is the second largest planet and is visible to the naked eye. Humans have known about its existence since ancient times, and it is named after the Roman god of agriculture and wealth. Second question. How big is Saturn? Answer. Saturn is big enough to hold 760 Earths. Third question. Why was Cassini launched? Answer. Cassini was launched to study Saturn, its rings and its moons. Fourth. What were the two parts of Cassini and what was their purpose? Answer. Cassini and Huygens were the two parts of the spacecraft. Cassini orbited Saturn and sent back pictures. Huygens separated from the spacecraft and landed on Saturn's moon Titan. Fifth question. How did Cassini change the scientists' understanding of Saturn? Answer. Scientists got to know that Saturn has 62 moons. 6. What did Cassini discover on Enceladus? Answer. Cassini discovered hot water geysers and a liquid underwater ocean on Enceladus. 7th. What are the similarities between Titan and the Earth? Answer. Titan has lakes, rivers, channels, dunes, rain, clouds, mountains, and possibly volcanoes, just like Earth. Question number 8. What are Saturn's rings made of? Answer. Saturn's rings are made up of ice and rock particles. Question number 9. What did Cassini witness on the Saturn? Answer. Cassini witnessed the great white spot on Saturn, a massive storm that occurs roughly every 30 years. 10. Why was Cassini's destruction an intentional move? Answer. Cassini was intentionally destroyed to avoid the risks of contaminating a moon that could be lived in. C. Think and answer the question. First question. The scientists wanted to avoid the risk of contaminating a moon. The scientists wanted to avoid the risk of contaminating a moon that could be lived in. What moon is being referred to here and why do you think it could be lived in? Answer. Titan is being referred to here. Life could exist on Titan because it has lakes, rivers, dunes, rain, mountains, and possibly volcanoes. This is similar to conditions of early Earth.